Hello friends, hi, welcome back. What happened to Nifty today and how we gonna do the trade tomorrow? What about Nifty and what about Bank Nifty and some of the good stocks, HDFC Bank and also Tata Steel. We'll discuss all everything in a today's video. And what we discuss technical charts, what are the candlestick patterns that got involved in a single day, and FII data, DI data, option chain versus strike price, and how option chain has been developed for the Mondays. So let's start, friends. So we are still in long term bearish channel, and this is a day, this is a day candle. So there is a good buying at downward levels around 16900 levels. Once after it got open gap down, so there is a good buying that we have seen at every point. There is a somewhat rejection at the top, which is around 17,080 levels. Okay, so this is main Nifty. So what is our zone that we have discussed previously? 16826 should be the good support zone for now. Once it breaks, we can see a huge downside, and that higher zone is 17300 and 17400 levels are the good resistance zone. Till then, we are in that zone where there is a lot of volatility that we can expect. Okay, there will be resistance at higher levels and also support at the bottom levels. Okay, so what we expected yesterday, for this it's a bearish engulfing and there will be a gap down or some kind of bearishness. So it opened gap down, so whoever have taken the positions around 330 on 29th April, they have gained some good profits for now. So there is good buying. This is like a bullish Mariposa, but not completely Mariposa, as there is a small wick at the top, but whereas in downward we can say it is a Mariposa. So let's see the intraday candle, how the Nifty performed in intraday. So guys, this is done. So good support zone, and the price action is it formed a positive price action from here. So there is a good positive price action that formed. So what we can expect next move? Okay, the next move can be, it covered the gap almost everything. So for now, the next 17300 is the next resistance zone. So what we need to do, there is no proper candle where we can say that we could have taken position in today's candles. So don't worry. So when there is an opportunity, the market will say, even see this. So there is a kind of dark cloud, but it didn't sustain with the red candle. Even here there is a bearish engulfing. Even in 15-minute candle, it again took the support and it back. So your stop loss might have hit here at this point. So even in 15-minute candle, the technical charts failing sometimes. So you should keep your stop losses intact and you should not ride further. So when you hit your stop loss, just get back out of the trade and you can take the new trade, fresh trade again. So say this, there is a good support, and here there is again bearish zone. Here there is a piercing pattern, and here there is again green candle coming from the piercing pattern. Okay, so what does FII data, DI data suggest? Wow, 4 times of puts then calls, so huge bearishness. So here bearishness, call short and puts short. So overall is huge bearishness, that is 60,000, the huge quantity. Stocks, FI stocks, it's been bearish for a very long time, and even in index futures also it's a bearish. So as tomorrow is a holiday, we should wait what happens in the global markets tomorrow and today. And there is also a Fed meet that's going to happen on May 3 and May 4, which there will be deciding interest hikes. So maybe 50 basis points they are expecting the hike. If it is more than that, or if it is less than that, the market will take in a very positive. If it is like around 50 basis points, the market can be stable, and if it is more than that, the huge downside that we can see coming from the markets. Okay, so what is the open interest suggest? Open interest suggests there is a huge amount of put addition compared to call addition. Even there is no much activity that we can expect on Monday, because actually in Monday there can be a huge amount of put and call additions, because there will be deciding some action where the market should be in this particular week. But there is no particular, because tomorrow is holiday and there is a global uncertainty event that got involved, so maybe people have square off their positions. So 17,100 put unwinding has been taken place, and here we can see the huge amount of towering resistance at 17,500, and 17,000 is a good support for now. 800 and 690 similar to this, 200 and 100. So for now we can say same as we discussed, 16,800 to 17,300 is a good zone where the market can be in further in this week. PCR ratio 0.8 is also a bearish. Option chain, where we can see here also it suggests the same thing. So yeah, some good amount of around above 17,300 good amount of call addition, and below 17,000 there good amount of put addition, but not compared to bears. Put conviction is less, we can say. But yeah, if it sustains 17,000 there will be put additions coming in the Wednesday. Okay, so what about Bank Nifty? Let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also showed a good strength from bottom, from gap down, and there is no wick in the Bank Nifty that we can see. So yeah, there is a good support, and it also covered the gap. Now the next expectancy is around 36,500 levels will be the good resistance, and the support is whatever today's low, and 35,500 is a good support zone for now, as the market took support twice. So this is a very good support zone for now in the markets. Okay, so you can sell 35,500 below calls for an aggressive 35,700 below put, 35,500 below puts you can sell. And for the resistance, once it takes the resistance in 15 minutes candle, something like bearish engulfing or something with a huge volumes, you can start selling. For now, put selling is a good option, 35,500 and below put options. So how it performed in a day? So yeah, so in day, yeah, it took good support at the bottom levels with a huge blue green candle, and there is a bit of consolidation forming a positive price action to gain momentum, and there is a consolidation here. See, it is in a complete in a particular zone overall in a day, and at least finally it break out day high and closed almost at day high, which is a very good sign. Bank Nifty can be, if the market is open tomorrow without any news or something, we could have expected more positive upside. For now we can say, yeah, it is good. Put selling is a best option for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty weekly, more amount of puts than calls, so that's good. Resistance 35,500 is a support, 35,500 to 36,000 is a support zone, whereas 36,500 to 37,000 is a resistance zone. So 36 to 36,500 can be the market where it should decide maybe Wednesday. So 0.7 PCR is a kind of bearish, but today it is a bullish, and HDFC and HDFC Bank supported today for the market to not to go down much. So even we'll see HDFC and HDFC Bank. We'll see about HDFC for now. See HDFC. Yeah, after a huge amount of downside, there is some bit of consolidation, and here we got to see that after the doji there is some good amount of green candle as we expected, bullish Mariposa, if we ignore the small wicks that we have seen here. So yeah, I'm expecting some green candle here with the resistance of 2300. So I'm expecting it will touch at least 2300 in the coming days. HDFC. So as the event is also done in the morning, so there is no particular downside that we have left in HDFC. So HDFC Bank, see, even after forming a kind of green doji, it's like a bullish engulfing and also a bullish Marabizo as a single stick pattern. So the next resistance is 1433. So for now it is a very good, but compared to HDFC Bank has a huge call write-ups at 1400. So I think HDFC is better compared to HDFC Bank. If we see HDFC Bank, say this, so 74.7 lakh call writers, whereas 22.2 put writers. So I am expecting HDFC Bank will be stable at that particular point until the call unwinding can takes place, or else if call unwinding takes place suddenly, there can be a push till 1475 levels also. So let's see where it goes. And also we'll see Tata Steel as today's results, and also there is a good price action formed. Say this, downward trend and a good amount of reversal candles here, multiple candlestick pattern, doji and a kind of doji, and here it's a good bullish candle. So I'm expecting, just a second, yeah. So what are the next resistance levels? This is the next resistance level, 1340 and 1360 and 1380, stepwise, target 1, target 2 and target 3. These are the good zones where we can book our profits. So what is our stop loss? Stop loss is today's low, should be our definite stop loss. Once it breaks it, you should exit from it. So that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed. So keep watching my videos, stay tuned, please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.